How to go live on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Solution Guy. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can go live on TikTok. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to go live on TikTok, all you have to do is open up TikTok application. Then once you launch the TikTok application, you'll come to this interface where you have to tap on the plus icon from the bottom. Then once you are on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen, you'll see this type of interface where what you need to do is, if you scroll from the bottom, you can see camera, you can see story, and you can see templates. But where is the live option? So live option is not available to everybody. It is only available for people who have reached a specific criteria guidelines. For that, the very first criteria is that you need to have over 1000 followers, which you can clearly see I don't actually meet them. So make sure that you have at least over 1000 plus followers. Once you make sure that you have over 1000 plus followers, what you can do is make sure to switch to your professional account. So tap on the three lines icon, then go to settings and privacy, then go to account, switch to business or creator account if you don't see the live option. Then after you've done that, you can basically come back, tap on the plus icon, and then here you'll find the option this time called live, and then you should be able to go live in that way. This is simply how you can go live on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.